Today we're going to be unboxing a RIDGID Pipe Patch Kit. Each patch kit includes all required consumables for a single pipe patch repair. All components have been pre-counted and pre-measured specific to your application. So all you need to do is show up with your pipe patching equipment, a single patch kit, and you're good to go. Before we open the box, we're going to take a look at some of the handy information that is on the packaging. First off, we have a QR code that gives you quick lookup for documents such as the instruction manual. We have a step-by-step checklist that you can follow along as you go through the process. We also have a specification guide so you can quickly look up correct packer operating pressures and encroachment zones. Today we're going to be unboxing a patch kit for 3 to 4 inch pipe by 3 foot repair. First off, you will get Part A and Part B of organic silicate resins. These have been pre-measured specific to your application. You will get a fiberglass patch. When properly installed, these patches can last up to 50 years. You will get a table covering that helps keep your workspace clean. You will get 2 packer sleeves, one for the test insertion and one for the wet out patch. You will get a roll of pipe patch tape. You will also get the correct amount of elastic bands and 4 pairs of nitrile gloves. Lastly, you'll get the operator's manual, including the instructions and all required specifications for each application. For more information, please go to RIDGID.com or contact your local authorized dealer.